નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Okay students, now continue chapter number 1 for exercise 1.2. The first questions. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively 1094 यानी कि 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all 4 days. This one is the one type of the word problem. In this word problem here using the one word, it means total. So the total is means given all the data. Total is means addition. It means given all the data to add. So how to solve this ones? So students, here using the total in all 4 days, it means here is the how many days, first day, second day, third day and this one is final yani ki fourth day. So first day sold ticket, then after second day sold ticket, then after third day and then after fourth day sold ticket. Now in the first day how many? So here given 1094 यानी कि 1094. Second day 1812 1812. In the third day 2050 यानी कि 2050 and then after the last day यानी कि fourth day 2751 2751. So this one is the total. Total is means all the given to additions. Here total ticket sold. So how many total tickets? Addition of the 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7, 9 and 1 10, 5 and 5 10. This 10 and this 10 is means total 20. It means 0. Here is 2. 8 and 2 10. 10 plus 7 17. 7 and 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. It means how many total tickets are sold in the old days? 7,707 tickets sold in all the days. So clear students, how to solve this type of the word problem? Same for the second word problem. In the second word problem, in an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? So students, in these questions, in elections, two candidates. In the one candidate's vote 5,77,500 and here the rival secured, it means उसके साथ जो होता है second candidate जो होता है उसने 3,48,700 votes प्राप्त किए. So in these questions, what margin did the successful candidates win the election? It means जो कैंडिडेट इलेक्शन जीता है उसने कितने मार्जिन से यानी कि कितने वोट से वो इलेक्शन जीता है वो हमें फाइंड करना है. कितने वोट से इलेक्शन जीता है वो हमें फाइंड करना हो तो किस तरह से करते? इट मींस गिवन दिस वन इज द फर्स्ट यानी कि विनिंग कैंडिडेट्स वोट्स एंड दिस वन इज द राइवल यानी कि उसके साथ जो खड़ा होता है उसके वोट से. सो हियर टू सब्ट्रैक्ट. So first one 5,77,500. This one is the winning candidate. Winning candidate what? And this one is minus to 3,48,700. It means this one is the rivals candidate यानी कि उसके साथ जो होता है उस candidate. Here is the margin. Here is the margin. Here used one word margin. Margin is means कितने कम, कितने margin से कितने कम, कितने ज्यादा वो हमें फाइंड करना हो तो हमें इसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? सब्ट्रैक्ट. मार्जिन इस मीन्स वन टाइप ऑफ द सब्ट्रैक्ट फॉर्मूला. इस मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस 0 to 0 0 0 to 0 0 5 minus 7. This one is not possible. So here is the 6 and this one is 15. 15 minus 7 is means here is the 8. Then after 6 to 8 not possible. Here is cut. Here is 6 and here 16. 16 minus 8 is means 8. 6 minus 4 is means 2. 5 minus 3 is means 2. Put the comma. Here is put the comma. So how many margin? 2,28,800 watts. कितने वोट से जो फर्स्ट कैंडिडेट है यानी कि विनिंग कैंडिडेट है उसने इलेक्शन जीता है, तो 2,28,800 वोट से. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, क्लियर. सेम फॉर द अवर नेक्स्ट यानी कि थर्ड क्वेश्चन. इन द थर्ड क्वेश्चन, कीर्ति बुक स्टोर सोल्ड बुक्स worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June and book worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was sale for the 2 weeks together? So student, here using the one word together. Together is means दोनों week को, यानी कि फर्स्ट वीक और सेकंड वीक दोनों वीक को मिला के टूगेदर इस मीन्स जोड़ना. जोड़ना इस मीन्स एडिशन. इस मीन्स first to here the question answer is the addition, but in the second question is in which week was the sales greater and by how much. Here is doing the greater. Here is 2 weeks, but which weeks were greater sales? So how to find? So first of all, our the first question is the here together. Together is means addition. So addition of these 2 weeks. The first week sold how many books? The 285,891. यानी कि 2,85,891 rupees. In the second week sold यानी कि in second week 4,768. Together is means additions. So 8 and 1 9, 9 and 6 15 and 1, 8 and 7 15 and 1 6. Here is put 5 and 1 6, 8 and 6. So total how many rupees in the 2 week? 6,86,659. Right? 2 week together. This one is 2 week together answers. But our second question is in which week greater sale? In which week greater sales? तो greater sales find करना हो तो this means subtraction. So first week same and the second week. So students, here is the first week and this one is the value of second week. So here is the greater. Greater this means find करना हो, this means subtraction. So here is 2,85,891. This one is first week. 4,768. This one is the second week. So students, we all are know big number to subtract small number. It means here first of all second week and then after the first week. So second week rupees 4,768 and the first week rupees 2,85,891. How much? It means subtraction. 8 minus 1 is means 7. 6 minus 9 not possible. So here 6 and here is 16. 16 minus 9 is means again 7. 6 minus 8 this one is not possible. So 0 0 not cut but 4 is cut. Here is put the 3. Here is 9. Here is 9 and here is 16. 16 minus 8 is means 8. Here is put the common. 9 minus 5 is means 4. 9 minus 8 is means 1. Again put the comma and 3 minus 2 is means 1. So 1,14,877 more sale of which week? Second week. So students, in second week 1,14,877 rupees more sale of the first week. So clear student how to solve the our word problem in this chapter, right? Now to the next questions. Now to the next question number 4. In question number 4, find the difference, the greatest and the least number that can be written using the digit 62743 each only once. It means here given a digit to make one greatest number and one smallest number, right? So first of all, in given digit make greatest number and one make a least यानी कि smallest number. So greatest number is means then after first of all great number 7, then after small 6, then after small 4, then after small 3 and then after last is 2. This one is the greatest number. Each only for once. It means given number using only for one times, not for the second time. So here given the numbers only for using one times. Same for the list, यानी कि small numbers. So small numbers to start here. 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. This one is the greatest number and this one is the smallest number. But in these questions, write the difference. Here using the one word, students. Difference. Difference is means the subtraction. Is means given these two numbers to subtract and give the answer. It means subtraction. 2 minus 7. This one is the not possible. So here is the cut. Here is the 2 and here is the suppose 12. So 12 minus 7 is means 5. Then after 2 minus 6, this one is not possible. Here is 3 and here is 12. 12 minus 2 is means, sorry, 12 minus 6 is means 6. Then after 3 minus 4, this one is also for the not possible. 6 is cut, here put the 5 and here is 13. 13 minus 4, so answer is 9, right? 5 minus 3 is means 2 and 7 minus 2 is means 5. So our answer is 52,965. So what is the difference? 52,965 for these two, greatest number and the least number, yani ki smallest number. Okay, clear? Now to the next, yani ki question number 5. A machine on average manufactures 2,825 screw a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? One machine, the one day's average is means 2,885. In one day, 2,825 screws manufactured on the one day. So how many screws did the produce in the month of January 2006? The one day's manufacture, how many screws? 2,825. So January month, total month. So students, in January, how many month, yani ki how many days in January month? So total 31 days in the January months. So here is the multiply. One day this one, so January month is means total 31 days, the how much? Right? So students, one day, how many screws complete? 2,825 screw. So this one is January 2006. So January month, how many days? 31 days. 31 days to, here is the question mark. It means multiplies this two. So 2,825 multiply by 31. So it is 2 digits. This means first put the 0, 1 0. Now multiply. Here is 3 multiplied by 5. 3 5 is 15, 1, 3 2 is 6 and 1, 7, 8 3 is 24. 4 here, 2 here, 3 2 is 6, 6 and 2, 8, 7 and 8. Then after 1 to multiply whole number, 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2, 1 8 is 8, 1 2 is 2. It means here additions 5, 7, 8 and 7, 15, 1 here, 4 and 1, 5, 5 and 2, 7 and 8. So 87,575 screw manufacture in January month. Okay, here is the 35. How many is 35? January month total. How many days? 31 days. Total 31 days in January month. So here is the 31 days. Okay, students. Now to the next questions. Question number 6. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1,200 each. How much money will remain with her after purchase? It means कोई एक मर्चेंट है, वो अपने साथ 78,592 रुपीस लेके रेडियो सेट परचेस करने जा रहा है. हाउ मेनी रेडियो सेट? 40 radio set. Here one radio set price is equal to 1,200. Here using each, it means one radio set price is equal to 1,200. But she is purchased how many radio set? 40 radio set. So 40 radio set purchasing price is equal to, we don't know. It means first of all find the 40 radio set price. So one radio set price is equal to how much? 1,200. We will purchase how many? She is purchased 40 radio set. 40 radio set price is equal to how much? It means multiply 1,200 multiply by 40. 12 4 za, it means 48. Then after 1, 2 and 3. It means total how many rupees for given? 48,000 rupees to given the. And but here the using the one more questions. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? This means 40 रेडियो सेट परचेस करने के बाद उसके पास कितने रुपीस लेफ्ट रिमेन यानी कि बचते हैं, कितने रुपीस उसके पास बचते हैं वो फाइंड करना हो. तो टोटल हाउ मेनी रुपीस 78,590 रुपीस. हर गेव हाउ मेनी रुपीस 48,000 रुपीस. तो रिमेन rupees fine. This means total 78,592. So 48,000. Here is the subtraction. So here is the subtraction. So 2, 9 minus 0, 9, 5, 8 minus 8 is means 0, 7 minus 4 is means 3. So how many rupees after left the purchasing? 30,592 rupees remain after the purchase. Okay students, how to solve these types of the questions? Now to the next question. Okay students, now continue chapter number 1, exercise 1.2. Next question, yeah, question number 7. To stitch a shirt 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed out of 40 meter cloth. Of 40 meter cloth, how many shirt can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? It means here is the total cloth 40 meter, right? उसमें से 2 मीटर 15 सेंटीमीटर के शर्ट हम लोग स्टिच यानी कि बना रहे हैं. हाउ मेनी शर्ट कैन बी स्टिच यानी कि कितने शर्ट बनेंगे और कितना क्लॉथ रिमेन बचेगा वो फाइंड करना हो. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, हियर इज द वैल्यू मीटर, सेंटीमीटर, मीटर. It means all the values are same. This one is the most important. So students, we will convert into all the value in centimeter, right? So this one is first of all 2 meter 15 centimeter. Here is 2 meter 15 centimeter. So this value is already in centimeter, but this one is not a centimeter. Here is meter. So we all are know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay? So 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. This one is 200 and this one is 15. So 215 is means total 215 centimeter. It means one shirt, it means how many cloth are used in one shirt? 215 centimeter. Okay students. Now next one is the total cloth. The total cloth is means 40 meter. So this one is meter but convert into centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100. So 40 meter is means 40 multiplied by 100. So 4,000 centimeter, right? This one is, it means students, the total cloth is means 4,000 centimeter and one shirt cloth is means 215 centimeter, right? Then how many shirt will stitch in 40,000? So students, divide. How to divide? See, one shirt make how many cloth? 215 centimeter cloth. So we are to totals how many? 4,000 centimeter. Here is the question mark. It means see here is the one type of the divisions. So right to divide. It means here is the division 4,000 divided by 2, 1 and 5. So first of all 1 ja 215. 0 minus 5. This one is not possible. It means 5. Sorry. Here is 10, 9 and here is 3. 9 minus 1 is means 8. 3 minus 2 is means 1. So here 185, this 0 to down is means 1850. Now here is the 1850, this one is 250. Now the which number? The next 215, 8 is a 1720. One more time students, 258 is a 1720. Now subtract 0 minus 0 is means 0, 5 minus 2 is means 3, 8 minus 7 is means 1 and this one is 0. So students, total how many shirt are stitched? So here is the 18 shirt. So this one is the 18 shirt are stitched. And here is the units. Remaining how many cloth? So 130 centimeter. This one is remain. This one is remain. 130 centimeter, this one is remain, and total shirt how many? 18 shirt are made, and 130 centimeter clothes are remaining. Okay students, how to solve this types of the word problem? Okay, next to the next word problem, the next one problem, medicine is packed in a box in each weighing 4 kilogram 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a can which cannot carry beyond 800 kilogram? So students, here all the questions given value is different. Here is kilogram, gram, kilogram. So first of all values are same. It means हमें value same करनी पड़ेगी. This one is the most important. So all the values are converted into the gram. So here the first of all 4 kilogram 500 gram, right? This value is already in gram, but this one is not in gram. So convert the kilogram to gram. So we all are know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 4 kilogram is means 4000 gram. So write down. This one is 4000 plus this one is 500. So total 4500 gram. Right? Then after this one is 800 kilogram. 800 kilogram. So convert into the 800 kilogram. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. It means 800 kilogram multiplied by 1000. Why? Because we are convert kilogram to gram. Then after 8 1 ja 8, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. It means 8 lakh gram. Okay students, clear? Now but we are cannot carry beyond 800 kilogram. So in these questions, same for the your first questions, it means divisions. So 8 lakh divided by 4500. 4500. So division is possible. So first of all 4500 1 ja 4500, 0 again 0. This one is not possible. It means 10 minus 5 5. Cut. Here is 7 minus 4 is means 3. Yani ki 3500. Now students 1 0 to down. It means here 0. 35,000. Then after the which number 2 to 4500. Yani ki 44,400 7 ja 4,400 7 ja 31,500. 31,500. Now 0. Here is again 0. 0 is not possible. It means 10. 10 minus 5 is means 5. 5 cut. Here is 4. 4 minus 1 is means 3. Again here is 3 minus 3 0. Okay. Now the next value is again the down. It means again 35,000. Again 35,000 is means 4,500 7 ja. Same for the 3 1 5 0 0. Okay. 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 0 0. This one is more possible. It means 10. 10 minus 5 is means 5. 5 minus 1. Sorry, here is cut 4. 4 minus 1 is means 3 and 0. So this one is the overlap. So here is the 4500 value and this one is the 3500 value. So this one value is small. So आगे divide नहीं होगा. So our answer is 177 gram beyond, cannot beyond this ones. Okay? Understand? So our answer is 177 gram. Okay students, now next question number 9. In the question number 9, the distance between the school and the house of students' house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day she walks both way. Find the total distance covered by her in the 6 day. कोई एक स्टूडेंट है, वो अपने घर से स्कूल और स्कूल से घर आ रहा है both way. घर से स्कूल और स्कूल से घर, बट कैसे? वॉक यानी कि चल के. घर से स्कूल का डिस्टेंस कितना होता है? 1 किलोमीटर 875 मीटर. 1 किलोमीटर एंड 875 मीटर. Okay students, so first of all given value is kilometer and one is meter. So first of all values are same. So here the distance 1 kilometer 875 meter. So this one is already in meter, but this one is kilometer. So kilometer convert into meter. Then 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay. plus 875. So total 1875 meter. So total distance home to school 1875 meter. Okay, and school to home again 1875 meter both way. So total 1875 again plus 1875. So total distance is means 5 plus 5 0 1 7 and 7 14 and 1 5 8 and 8 16 1 7 and then after 3. So the total distance is means 3750 meter. School to home, home to school. School to home distance 1875. Home to school distance 1875. So again school to home same distance yani ki 1875. Why? Because both way school to home, home to school. School to home, home to school. So 1875 addition is means total distance 3750 meter for one day. But this one is how many days? 6 days. So 6 days to multiply 6 days to find karna ho to multiply by 6. So 3750 multiply by 6. 6 0 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30 is means 0 and 3, 6 7 ja 42 and 3 is means 45. So 5 here is 4, 6 3 ja 18, 18 and 4 is means 22. So total how many distance? 22,500. This one is the total. Okay, understand students how to solve this type of the word problem. Now to the next exercise.
Thank you for joining us.